Salam, hai teman-teman dan sahabat channel Agus L72, selamat bertemu kembali. Harapan saya semoga saya temui kalian semua selalu dalam keadaan sehat, bersemangat dalam aktivitas dan kegiatan sehari-hari, dimurahkan rezekinya, sukses dalam usaha, sukses dalam pendidikan dan pekerjaan, apapun usaha dan pekerjaan kalian. Di video kali ini saya akan mengajak kalian menangani salah satu bahan bonsai yang masih terbilang jarang di bonsai, dari jenis ficus, yakni Ficus Rumphii atau Ancak. Ancak ini sudah setahun saya tanam dalam pot dengan ukuran pot yang kecil dan diprogram Mame, yang mana saya tanam dari bibit yang tumbuh liar di tembok pagar rumah. Walau programannya kurang representatif untuk gambaran sebuah bonsai, namun ada baiknya juga saya tampilkan buat kalian sebagai bahan motivasi dan inspirasi untuk mencoba membuat bonsai dari ID ini. Baik, saya akan melakukan pruning, memotong atau press akar dan menambah medianya dengan pupuk sebelum saya pindahkan ke pot ukuran Mame. Teman-teman dan sahabat-sahabatku, saksikan video ini sampai selesai agar kalian bisa terhibur sekaligus juga termotivasi untuk mencoba.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of left, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you
what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Tidak ada salahnya mencoba bahan yang ada di sekitar rumah kita untuk dibonsai. Hitung-hitung untuk menambah daftar ID koleksi bonsai di rumah kita. Demikianlah video kali ini. Semoga tayangan video ini bermanfaat untuk kalian semua. Tetap lakukan sesuatu yang baik dari apa yang bisa kita lakukan. Dari hal-hal yang kecil sampai pada hal-hal yang semakin besar. Dari yang sederhana sampai hal-hal yang lebih komplit. Dari sedikit, akhirnya akan semakin banyak juga. Yang terpenting adalah tetap berusaha. Karena dengan usaha, suatu saat usaha tidak akan mengkhianati hasilnya. So, just do it. Sampai bertemu kembali di kesempatan-kesempatan yang lain. Salam.